be from negeri. So it is very easy. Yeah. My question is how to improve our students, especially if they lag behind about intelligence, and also even though as a teacher we always what is it give motivation, encourage for our
Yeah.
student to practice, especially speaking. But yeah, sometimes when I teach student about speaking,
Mm.
they have difficult, but the structure is okay. Yeah. So I always keep motivation to practice because English we always practice, even though English is not our mother tongue. So
Yeah.
yeah, they afraid of making mistake and maybe they less about vocabulary. So
Mhm.
they don't understand and they don't have many vocabulary to practice our English, especially in conversation. And of course, my student they like practicing in workshop. I mean that in Microsoft because they are STM cell. Yeah. So yeah, I always give some vocabulary about techniques. Yeah, like
Yeah.
scapulator and maybe about tool equipment from
Yeah.
technique. So yeah, that is the big problem, especially they understand what I mean. Sometimes yeah, they seldom practice English. So
Yeah.
even though I give some motivation, maybe any friend here give some solution so we can improve and share together to overcome to solve my problem like this, like Mr. Arif. Okay, Mr. Arif, thank you very much.
That's my
Thank you, my
partner,
good
Mr.
friend.
Rudy. That's my
Thank
Okay,
you.
partner.
That
Pak
is my
Arif.
idea. I do apologize if I have some mistake. Thank you very much.
It's okay, Pak Sugiono. There is no mistake
Yeah,
actually in learning
yeah,
a learning object. It means that in learning English. But the most important that we should
yes, that's
know,
right.
um, we should give the basic mindset to the students. So English, it is not our mother tongue. Yes, it is a
Yeah,
reality. Yes, it is true. It is a reality.
very true.
But we are, it is not only a teacher, but also we are as a motivator. Now, back again, motivator, you know,
Motivation.
the first competence of a teacher, it is a pedagogic. Pedagogic means that we should know the student's background. The point of background could be history background, the family background, economical background, social background, and also
Economical. Yes,
the
that's right.
preference background. Now, back again to the preference. Students sometimes they if the students have a preference, have a prefer with something, or they like with one object, sometimes they forget it with anything. Example of football.
Yeah,
Sometimes when they playing a football, they forget it about another. Now, how to change? I mean, how to move their preference in English with their hobbies? For example,
yeah.
they say you said about technology or STM. Okay, yes.
Technology is
Now,
yeah.
students, how install a tire? Yeah, you know a tire or install a tire in motorcycles. It means that English we move the object. I mean the lesson of English to their preference. For
Questionable techniques.
example, yeah, the SOP, for example, standard operational procedure in motorcycles,
Procedure.
but with
Yeah,
simplify. Do not too complicate it, sir, Pak Sugiono, with a
yeah,
simplify.
yeah. I see. Yeah,
You know the theoretical about content-based instruction. Content-based instructions mean that um, what do they like? For example, like children's playing a game. When they playing a game, you know that or the instruction, the direction, it is in English.
direction.
The direction in English, but they can
I
analyze
understand.
what is the
Yeah,
command or direction in that game, and they know how to shoot the enemy, how to buying a diamond, for example, because all of the language was in English, but they like it.
yes.
This is they like it, and game as a gamers that become their preference. Now back again to the student backgrounds in your
Post
place, Pak
difference.
Sugiono. So
Okay, that's right.
everything, yeah, everything. If we started with hobbies with a preference, yeah, for example, like I like singing, but I don't know the meaning. But singing with English language, sometimes they explore their feeling by a song. Even they didn't know the meaning, but they can share it like that. So never, what is it? Never hesitate in trying, Pak Sugiono. I think that's my opinion, Pak Sugiono.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I will try to do my best for my student to
Yeah,
get the best in future. With
because
Mr. Arif. Sometimes
yeah.
I practice with Mr. Arif because he is my senior.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Senior.
But one thing, Pak
Yeah,
Sugiono, please don't be bored. I mean, don't be hopeless with the students'
yeah,
conditions, because we are as
yeah,
the
please.
agent of change. English, we, a teacher, can change anything, can change their mindset. So teacher as a change of agent. So that's why we almost every day we must be creative. We should change our what is it, teaching methodology, how to give a personal approach to the student. So that's why teachers should be creative. One method fail,
Okay.
try another method. The second method fail, try another method. And then the most important, why the student boring, don't like with English. Okay, what about we
Yeah.
try from their hobbies, their preference. I think that's my opinion,
Okay.
Pak
Thank you.
Sugiono.
That is good. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Division and situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Okay. Thank
sharing.
you.
What about another participant? Hello. May I hear your opinion about our topic today? Hello, I want to say hello to Bu Ainun. Hello, thank you for joining this program.
Yes, halo Pak Dodi.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. You want to share your opinion, Bu Ainun? Come on. I will give you time.
Pak Dodi, I want to share my opinion about why the students understand English but they cannot speak English fluently.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pak Dodi, according to my opinion, that they never practice speaking English in their daily activity, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, they understand but they tell them to practice English with their friends and then their family.
Mm,
Nah, so, for example, I have many neighbors in my neighbors. Uh, there are many people. There are Madures people. I think. I mean,
your
I
environment, yeah.
understand Madures, yeah,
Yeah.
Madures, but I never speak Madures.
Hmm.
So I cannot speak Madures fluently. That's the example.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because our students never practice speaking English, so they will not be able to speak English fluently.
Mm,
Besides Pak Dodi, I
mm,
think in our country, in Indonesia,
mm.
English is learned as a foreign language,
Yeah.
not
Second
it's
language.
learned as second language,
Yeah.
like in India, in Malaysia.
Mm-mm.
Nah, that's why I think it is foreign. So the foreign with English, like in Malaysia, for example, or India, English is learned as second language after their national language. After they speak English after their national language. For example, yeah, they if we see or watch the film of Indian film, they always speak English in their dialogue or in the conversation.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is we must I mean yeah, practice is to be number one.
Yeah.
Practice speaking English. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all Pak Dodi. Thank you so much.
Thank
Assalamualaikum.
you. Waalaikumsalam. Thank you for joining this program, Bu Ainun, and thank you for sharing. Yeah, Um, I
Yep.
think that's true, Bu Ainun. This is the real